Whenever we get a new espresso grinder in our warehouse, you can bet that within 24 hours we'll have tried single dosing with it. Generally, when we're looking for a good single dosing grinder, we wouldn't pick something with massive 75mm burrs, let alone one that's designed to be quiet. That, of course, didn't stop us from putting the Eureka Atom 75 through its paces on its first day. The results were immediately impressive. A few coworkers even heard my involuntary audible reaction and came to see what was going on. It ground my 20-gram dose in a stunning 8 seconds. Successive tests proved that this was no fluke. Let me show you what that feels like in real time. I'm going to drop in a 20-gram dose, and I'll use an 8-second timed grind setting. And I'm going to leave the hopper lid off just to give you an idea of how little popcorning there is. That's it. And upon weighing again, you can see that I got my entire 20-gram dose. The Atom 75 churns out grounds faster than most all of our favorite single dosing grinders. You might think, well, certainly it just has a lot of retention. It's no shame for a large commercial espresso grinder. That's what I thought too, but we're both wrong. After a few dozen shots, I opened up the Atom 75 to find a nearly bare burr chamber. After sweeping it and the chute clean, I found myself with a measly 2.3 grams of grounds. Upon putting it back together, running another 80 grams through, and checking again, I was met with an almost identical result of 2.2 grams. This is no small feat, even for Eureka grinders, which have quite low grind retention on the whole. With blazing fast grind times, whether you're single dosing or using a full hopper, negligible retention, and nearly silent operation, the Atom 75 is easily one of our new favorite grinders. By no coincidence, you'll find it front and center next to the Linea Mini on the bar in our showroom, where we've been single dosing a wide variety of coffees for the past few weeks. If this video answered your questions about single dosing with the Eureka Atom 75, be sure to hit the like button. If it didn't, I'd be glad to field your questions in the comments below. For more coffee knowledge, be sure to subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.